Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. T.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on human resource management. This is part 4. Come to the questions. Question number 1. Which form of participative management promotes semi-autonomous work groups? A. Quality of work life. B. Quality circle. C. Total quality management. Or D. Quality group. The correct option is C. TQM. 2. Industrial action generally does not include A. Strike, B. Lockout, C. Demonstration, or D. 1. So correct option is D. 1. 3. The role of HRD personnel is to A. Description of entire process analytical decomposition. B. Identification of HRD elements and resources. C. Both A and B, or D. Analytical decomposition only. So here correct option is C, where A and B options are correct. 4. Leadership is the A. Ability to influence other people. B. Ability to create within people and urge to do. C. Ability to obtain willing cooperation of the followers, or D. All. So here correct option is D. All of the above. 5. The primary goal of HRD is A. To increase productivity of workers and organizational profitability. B. Improve workers' skill and enhance motivation to prevent obsolescence at all levels. C. Prevent obsolescence and increase organizational profitability only, or D. Both A and B. The correct option here is D, where A and B options are correct. 6. A team is evaluated on features like A. Cooperation confrontation avoiding common objectives. B. Openness of view and unwritten procedure systems. C. Regular review appropriate leadership, or D. All of the above. So the correct option is D. All of the above. 7. For TQM, total quality management, the required qualities are A. Understand customers' current and future needs. Leaders establish unity of purpose. Involvement of people for organization's benefit. B. Achievement of desired results when resources and activities are managed as a process. And A. Above. Or C. Mutually beneficial suppliers. Relationships enhances the ability to create value. And D. Also. Or D. Should have a temporary objective of the organization. So यहाँ पर सही ऑप्शन है C, जिसमें कि C और B दोनों सही हैं, यानी कि करेक्ट ऑप्शंस हियर आर B and C. 8. Human due diligence means investigation of, here correct option is C, where A and B options are correct. Management team staff, structure issues managerial capacity of a potential partner. 9. Knowledge management refers for critical issues of A. Organizational adaptation. B. Survival and competence against discontinuous environmental change. C. Synergistic combination of data and information processing capacity, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 10. What influences the bank employees' attitude on work culture? A. Educational qualification. B. Ownership of bank. C. Location of the branch, or D. All of the above. So here correct option is D. All of the above. 11. Discuss the roles of the HR manager. So यहाँ पर correct option is D. B and C options are as per D correct, where B and C are B. Marketing programs and services, instructor material producer, and C. Needs analyst, organizational changer, researcher plus A above. मतलब अगर देखा जाए तो तीनों ऑप्शन यहाँ पर सही है, यानी कि रोल्स ऑफ अ मैनेजर में हम जो बातें ए बी और सी तीनों में लिखी गई हैं हम सबको. 12. The objectives of HR audit are, करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज हियर सी, जिसमें कि सी है और बी भी जुड़ा हुआ है, इसका मतलब बी और सी दोनों सही है. एनालाइज द फैक्टर्स एंड रिकमेंड फॉर करेक्टिंग डेविएशंस प्लस ए, तो वो बी हो गया। अगेन जैसे प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में था कि जितने भी ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पर डी को छोड़ करके, यानी कि ए बी और सी ये तीनों ही सही हैं। इसके लिए ये तीनों ही ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ एचआर ऑडिट हैं। सो अगेन कम अगेन ए objectives of HR audit are: A, to determine the effectiveness of the management programs; B, to analyze the factors and recommend for correcting deviations; and C, to extend to which line managers have complied with HR the policies. 30. The main barriers of communications are: here correct option is C, both A and B, where A is organizational plus semantic and B personal plus psychological plus resistance to new ideas. 14. Manpower planning consists of: the correct option is A, that is determining the jobs to be done, oblique identifying the skills, oblique estimating the exist likely, filling up of the requirements. 15. Employee accountability strengthens employee accountability strengthens in correct option is A, HR audit. 16. Promotion is basically a reward for correct option is A, efficiency. 7. What is 360-degree appraisal? The correct option is C, a process that provides an employee with feedback about his or her workplace performance. 18. Human needs have been divided into 5 categories under need hierarchy theory. Who invented this theory? So, simple सा क्वेश्चन है ये, सभी मैनेजमेंट के स्टूडेंट्स जानते हैं. दिस इज person is Maslow, so correct option is 19. Role of performance management is to accomplish. Correct option is C, where all of the above are included here. So A, B, C, where A, performance needs of the organization; B, guide the development of individuals for skill and knowledge; C, motivate individuals and provide data about condition of human capital. 20. Competency mapping is possible through approaches like, correct option is C, where A is also included. So यहाँ दो options हैं, A and C are correct. Job analysis, workforce skills analysis, supply and demand analysis, and gap and solution analysis. इससे हम competency mapping कर सकते हैं. Key performance areas means areas which are within the responsibility of the role. So correct option is A in case of 20. 20. Career path planning is affected by, the correct option is C, employee preference, oblique employees requirement and structure of the organization. 20. Phases of performance counseling are, the correct option is A, rapport building. Employees should discover own source action plans through brainstorming sessions. 24. Training method commonly used for employees in banks: A, on the job training; B, classroom training; C, off the job training; D, vestibule training. Correct option is C, classroom training. 25. Training evaluation is measured by, the correct option is B, where both A and B are correct. So A means that is goal based, goal free, responsive systems, professional review, and quasi legal. 26. The process of perception is influenced by the factors like A, our needs and wants; B, sensory inability; C, our stimuli; D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. 27. The term industrial relations means: A, relationship between management and labor; B, relationship between organization and employees; C, relationship that grows out of employment; or D, all of the above. The correct option is D, all of the. 28. Collective bargaining is a procedure regulated by agreements between their, correct option is A, bargaining agents and employers. 29. Advantages of grievances handling procedure. Correct option is E here, where all of the above are given. All of the above includes A, B, and C only. A, that is management can know employees' feelings. B, employee gets grievances ventilated. C, keeps a check on supervisor's attitude. 30. How to handle grievances? So here correct option is C, where C includes B also. So correct option यहाँ पर दो हैं, B and C. B is treat each case as important and obtain grievances in writing, examine company's position, identify violations, do not hold back to remedy if the company is wrong, प्लस A. तो इसका मतलब तो ये हो गया कि A, B और C तीनों सही है. A भी इसमें इंक्लूडेड है. ग्रीवांस राइटिंग, taking to employee directly for speaking truth, ensure confidentiality and handle the case within time frame, and C, get all the facts relevant about the grievance, examine the personal record of the aggrieved worker, gather information from the union representative properly. So कैसे हैंडल किया जाए ग्रीवांस, तो उसके लिए तीनों बातें यहाँ पर 3 पॉइंट्स में A, B and C में दी हुई हैं और वो तीनों ही सही. So that's how this was about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it. If you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.